The topic of today's video is how to connect interactive brokers to Tradingview. Well guys, here we are on Tradingview on the super charts, and what we want to do is the same way we connect any broker, right? So we want to go to the trading panel at the bottom, and now we can see all of our brokers, and here is interactive brokers, so we can select that. And now we can either click on Don't Remember Me, or we can just click on Connect. And this is going to take us to the Interactive Brokers website, where we can choose either a live account or our paper trade account. And from there, all we need to do is put in our login details and log in. And that is how you connect the two. You will see in TradingView once you've logged in. I don't have an account with Interactive Brokers, but once you're logged in, you will see that you are connected. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.